Hello students of Standard 3rd. Welcome you all to DA Mall Public School e-learning class. I am your English teacher Renuka Sishivar. So let us begin our today's online session of English. Dear students, today we are going to learn a new poem that is Trees are the kindest things I know. So let's start. Dear students, before to begin this poem, let me tell you some things about the trees. Do you know there are various things that we get from trees? For example, wood, fruits, medicines, vegetables, papers, and most important thing is oxygen. So, what do you think that trees are our best friend or not? Yes, trees are our best friend. They always gives us but never demands. On this content, let us see one poem that is trees are the kindest things I know. The poet of this poem is Harry Benn. Let us see what poet is saying here. Trees are the kindest things I know. They don't harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among the boughs. Let us repeat one more time. Trees are the kindest things I know. They don't harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among the boughs. So here in this stanza, this is the first stanza. Here poet says that trees are the kindest of all things that we know because they do not harm anyone. They grow peacefully and spread their branches all around. Cows rest in their shade and birds gather to rest in their boughs. This is second stanza. Let us see. They are the first when days begin to touch the beams of the morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. They are the first when days begin to touch the beams of the morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. So here in this stanza, the poet says that when the day begins, the first beam of the morning sun falls on the trees. They are the last to hold the light of the sun when the day turns into night. Here is the third stanza. And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby. Hum it means to sing in a low tone, and lullaby it means a song that is sung to put a baby to sleep. And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Trees are the kindest thing I know. And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Trees are the kindest thing I know. Here poet says that during the night the moon floats on the sky and the leaves move about silently humming a drowsy lullaby to help the children sleep. So dear students, the moral of this poem is the trees have been serving mankind selflessly for ages. Hence, they are the kindest things that we know, and trees are our best friend. Dear students, hope you have understood this poem and understand the importance of trees in our life. So hence onwards we have to be protect and save the trees, save life. Now let us see what is in your homework today. This is your first question. Let us see. Complete the following table of rhyming words. Pick out one rhyming word from the text and one of your own choice. Okay, so this is the table of rhyming words. Rhyming word, it means the same sounding words. So, two words have been given here. You have to be write one word from the text and one word from your own choice. Let us see the example. No. See the first one. No. Grow. So. So grow, it is taken from the poem, and you have to write one more rhyming word for this from your own choice. See the third one. Begun, none, sun. So these are the rhyming words. Sun is taken from the poem, and one rhyming word of this have to be right of your own choice. In this way you have to be complete this question. Let us see the next question. Find out from the poem the words which mean the same as the words given below. Okay, so you have to be write the synonyms of these words. Okay, see the first one, the branches of a tree, it means boughs. Okay, the branches of a tree, it means boughs. You have to find out its meaning from the text, from the poem. See the second one, a song that is sung to put a baby to sleep, it means lullaby. Okay, we can say it lori in Hindi. In the same way you have to complete these questions in your notebook. Dear students, we will see you in our next session with new lesson or new topic. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.